Hello everyone, I am Pradeep. Welcome to all my YouTube channel. If you still not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, share and support my channel. Today topic is what is BIM. You can see what is BIM. Let's start. So everyone asking about what is BIM, what are the advantages of learning BIM. So if I say that I have learned some BIM software, they directly ask me that. So what is BIM? So is it any software or is it any concept? So I told that it's a concept. The concept used in AC industry, right? So I have mentioned the point here. Get this. Building information modeling BIM is a concept used in AC industries. It is a process of presenting the physical model into realistic 3D visualization or intelligent based 3D model into realistic 3D visualization. So it's a concept, right? So in this particular concept, some of the softwares will be you have to study, right? That softwares include the concept of BIM. So in that particular softwares, you have to design the building in realistic way. Okay, so you can observe the building before construction of the work, right? Let's see. So how BIM helps in AC industry? That's most important thing. So let's see how the BIM helping in AC industry. So BIM helps in architecture, engineering, construction. AC is nothing but AEC is nothing but architecture, engineering and construction. Okay. So industries improve the way of design, construction, maintenance. It's the most important thing. Design, construction, maintenance and better way of working in digital representation of the models. In the concept or after using BIM concept in construction and infrastructure work, right? Construction work is nothing but like building the residential buildings like that. Infrastructure is nothing but building the dams, bridges, railway tracks, etc. Comes under infrastructure work. So you will get the complete information of the realistic views as well as complete information about the component schedules, quantity takeoff, cash free models using different softwares. When you are using the BIM concept, you can realize that is it any clashes happening or not, right? So you can easily detect the clash using Navisworks and Revit also. So you can create a schedule, quantity takeoff, and you can give the complete 3D model to your client also, right? So if you are interested to go with infrastructure work, right? So I have mentioned two things here. One is called infrastructure and one for construction. If you are interested to go with infrastructure work, you can focus on the particular softwares like Civil 3D, Water Gems, Bentley Water Gem. So it's a different combination of the softwares. You can go for it. So if you are interested to go with construction field, you can learn Revit, Revit architecture, Revit structure, as well as Revit MEP. For 2D detailing, you can go with AutoCAD also. AutoCAD is the major software for 2D detailing, right? So the main thing is Revit. Revit, the leading software in BIM field. Let's see. So I have mentioned two things here. BIM concept used by individuals, corporate and public sectors, and some registered agencies who are planning to design, construct, and operate a construction and infrastructure work in a realistic way. So it's an easy concept. If you are interested to work on 3D elements, you have to present the model in a realistic way that so you have to use the BIM concept. So in BIM concept, certain level of detailing or level of development will be you have to show your clients. Like in that particular video, I can't cover all the things. I will cover in the next video what you mean by level of development or level of detailing and all. So okay. So BIM concept, when the BIM concept is developed, so that also most important thing. Someone asking about when the BIM concept is developed. So you have to clearly mention, you have to clearly told to those person who asked what is BIM when the BIM concept is developed. So BIM is nothing but a concept, right? BIM, BIM, spelling called BIM, BIM, okay? Building Information Modeling. The concept developed in 1970. So note it down. So 1970. After in 2000, so development and adoption of the BIM concept spreads in different countries. So after 2000, okay. So suddenly growth happened in BIM industry. certain countries are suddenly applying or go with BIM concept. They can easily model or they can easily present the model using the concept of 3D, or they build a class-free models. Then they completely go with schedule and quantitative calculation can be done easily. So the progress of the work is easy. Then you can give the complete data, so you can work with collaboration mode also. So you can go with architecture, structure, and MEP field. You can work in one software. So that's called Revit. Revit, the leading BIM. The concept developed in 1970. After they agreed the terms in 2000. So development and adoption can be done after the 2000 in different countries. Then international standard ISO 19650 launched in January. So then after certain countries are adopting the BIM, so international standard can be adopted. It's called ISO 19650. Okay. Then let's see what is inside ISO 19650. So definition as per ISO. It's a major thing. So ISO developed in January. Okay. So 1690-2000. As per ISO 1690-2000, BIM is a shared digital presentation of built asset to facilities, design, construction, and operation process to the reliable basis of design. So the given definition as per the ISO, I have mentioned here. You can clearly read it. So they give certain digital representation of the 3D models. Like they give the complete definition about what is BIM. You can go through it and you can completely read it. So I have mentioned all the things about what is BIM, how BIMs work, and what are the some major softwares covered. Not covered all the things here. So just mention about what is BIM, then the concept of BIM and all. So BIM is the fastest growing industry in this particular field, in civil engineering field also. So if you are interested learn BIM concept. BIM is a concept, right? You have to learn softwares. In that software, they will cover all the things like 2D drawings, 3D, 4D, like that. It comes under BIM concept. So, and one more thing, you have to go to one website called bimforcivil.com. So it's my website designed and developed by me only. So I'm already mentioned all three four things here, like what is BIM, what are the advantages of using BIM technology, softwares used in BIM, BIM is a good career or not, what is OD in BIM. So level of detailing, how much detail you can give in a particular model. I have mentioned all the things here. You click what is BIM, so you can clearly read the article about what is BIM, what are the advantages and all. So I have mentioned all the things here. You can go through the website. The website name is called bimforcivil.com. It's called bimforcivil.com. You have to go through the website and you can learn complete BIM information, right? So you can go to the category. It's only one category, BIM information. You can click. You have to click the particular category and it will open the particular category. So I will add 2 3 categories also. So software used in BIM technology, you can read any articles here. So I'll make a separate video on that also. So okay, I hope you understand, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching this particular video. If you still are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, share, and support my channel. So you can follow us on Instagram also, my website, my YouTube. Thank you very much. Thank you.